guys, welcome back to my channel. Just want to give a quick shout out and say thanks so much for being the first to comment on my last video. Alrighty, so for today we're going to be using my round extra short soft gel full nail covers. These are available for purchase in my Etsy shop, and these are definitely one of my best sellers. You guys really seem to love like my extra short shapes. So if you're in the market and you're looking for some extra short soft gel full nail covers, definitely check the links down below in my description. But as you can see, all I'm doing is going in and prepping and sizing the nails out before we begin our design. With this process, you just want to make sure that they fit wall to wall. So now I'm going in with some alcohol. This is 70% alcohol. We're going to be using Polygel today for this video. I haven't used Polygel pretty often. I used to use Polygel all the time, but ever since I discovered solid nail glue, I've been using that religiously. So we're going to be using Polygel for this video. And I'm going in with the same one I used in my prior video. This is the Soft Pink by Rosalind. It's just honestly such a beautiful shade. Only thing, as I said in my last video, is just that it's super gooey and droopy, and I hate that about this polygel. Some polygels aren't, that like slimy, but this one is definitely that. So if that's like a real bother for you, then there's definitely other shades that you can get that are similar, like my Model 1 shade, I believe it's called Light Pink, and even MAKARRT Puppy Love is a very similar shade to this one. As you can see, I'm just going in, applying that to the nail, and then pressing it gently on my nail. I'm showing you the full process of just the pinky. I'm going to speed it up shortly. But yeah, I just wanted to show you since I haven't done it in a while. Same process as always, just going in with the bead side amount, cleaning up around the cuticle area, and you also want to make sure the underneath of your nails is totally flat before curing. So here's what it's looking like, same process as always. So I'm just gonna go in and finish off my nails and show you guys my process. Alrighty, I purchased this from Shein. It's like a little pump dispenser, but you can get these anywhere. And I'm going in with some lint-free wipes. These are also purchased off of Shein. And I'm just wiping down my nails before we begin our design. I'm going in now with some 80/80 grit nail files. I say it all the time. If you've never tried them, definitely recommend giving them a try. I purchased like a 50-pack of these nail files off of Amazon. And I'll have the link down below. We're so like conditioned to using 100/180 grit. Once you go to different grits and different styles, you'll never go back. I'm telling you. So definitely give it a try if you haven't before. But our nails are now fully prepped, and we're going to start doing our design. Alrighty, so we're going to be using chrome powder. This is white chrome powder that I purchased off of Amazon. This is also linked in my storefront. But before we apply that chrome powder, we're going to be using this NKK Subtle Glitter No Wipe Top Coat. You guys know this is a favorite of mine. I actually had to repurchase because I'm starting to get low on it. I love this top coat. It's a subtle glitter. You don't really see it unless you're looking kind of closely, and it's a no wipe top coat all in one. Absolutely love this and definitely recommend giving it a try. I'll be sure to link her product down below, but I'm just gonna go in and apply this to my nails and then cure. I don't show it in the video, but you want to cure before applying the powder. So after your powder is fully cured, after your polish is fully cured, I'm just gonna go in with this like eyeshadow brush and this chrome powder and wipe away. When you purchase this off of Amazon, I don't believe it comes with the eyeshadow brush. I don't think it did. So you might want to order that as well if you're purchasing this for the first time off Amazon and you never use chrome powder and don't have any handy. So just a tip. After you finish applying that chrome powder, I go in right away. I'm not going to dust off any of the excess. I'm going to go in right away and top off my nails. You can dust off the excess if you want, but I just like to do it afterwards. And yeah, I'm just going to go in, top off my nails, and then cure, and then dust away all of the excess powder. Same process, totally up to you if you want to dust beforehand or afterhand. Alrighty, so this, guess where it's purchased? Amazon. Actually, this might have been Shein. It's either actually this was definitely from Amazon. But these are just gold foil stickers. And you can use these gold foil stickers, or you can also use like a gold foil gel with a line art brush. These are just super easy. I'm just going in with that and a sharp pair of tweezers, and I'm applying these to the bottoms of my nails. It just depends on the look you're going for. If you want a thicker line at the bottom base of your nails, they do have thicker lines in this packet, but you can also use like a gold foil gel, as I said before. But yeah, I'm just going in. You can kind of size them out before taking the stickers off since they're clear, and applying them to my nails. These are super sticky. You don't have to top coat it after because the stickiness is definitely there. So these are really good high quality stickers, and I'll be sure to have the link to these down below as well. Alrighty, so our last and final step is cuticle oil, my favorite. For today, we're going to go in with my scent citrus. And I say it in every video, this is an essential step. Your cuticles cannot be crusty because it does not matter how cute your nails are. If the cuticles are crusty, it's not going to give. That cuticle oil is available for purchase in my Etsy shop, all natural and made with hand-pressed flowers. Here is the final look. I love this look. It's very simple and very elegant. If you guys enjoyed this video, please don't forget to leave me a like, comment, and subscribe. If you made it to the end, make sure you check out next week's video for Black Friday because I will be doing a $500 Amazon gift card giveaway. Love you guys. Bye.